Want to quickly check whether your Windows PC is properly protected? Windows Security gives you a central place to review your antivirus, firewall, account, and device security. In this guide, I'll show you how to check the overall security status and spot anything that needs attention. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app from the results to open the main security dashboard. Start with the main dashboard. Windows Security uses status indicators to show whether different protection areas are working normally or need your attention. Look for warnings, recommendations, or sections marked as needing action. Next, open Virus and Threat Protection. Check the Current Threats section and review your recent scan information. You can also check that Microsoft Defender's real-time protection is active. Scroll down to Protection Updates and check when the security intelligence was last updated. Select Check for updates if you want Windows to look for newer Defender security intelligence. Keeping these updates current is important for detecting newer threats. Now return to the Windows Security dashboard and open Firewall and Network Protection. Check your active network profile and make sure Microsoft Defender Firewall is turned on. So don't overlook this section because it protects network connections. Next, open App and Browser Control. Review reputation-based protection and make sure important features such as Smart Screen are enabled. These settings help protect against suspicious websites, downloads, and applications. Open Device Security to review hardware-based protection. Depending on your computer, you may see Security Processor, Secure Boot, and Core Isolation. If a feature isn't available, that can simply mean your hardware or configuration doesn't support it. Then check Account Protection. Review your available Windows Hello sign-in options and any security recommendations. You can also open Settings, then Accounts and Sign-in options for more account security controls. Finally, check Windows Security notifications and protection history for recent alerts. If Windows reports a threat or recommends an action, open the details and follow the suggested steps. Don't ignore repeated warnings, even if your PC seems to be working normally. And that's how to check your Windows security status. Review the main protection areas regularly, keep Defender and Windows updated, and deal with warnings when they appear. A quick security check can go a long way toward keeping your PC protected.